In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border or outline to an image in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This simple technique can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slides, making your presentation more engaging and professional. Let's dive in. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. If you already have the presentation loaded, just navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to add a border to an image. If not, open PowerPoint, find your file, and click on it to open the presentation. Make sure you're in the normal view so you can easily navigate through your slides. Once you're in your presentation, select the slide with the image you wish to enhance. After you've located the image, click on it. This will select the image, and you should see a box or some form of outline around it. This step is crucial because it lets PowerPoint know that this is the image you're looking to modify. Clicking the image also activates additional formatting options for that image. Now it's time to move to the Picture Format tab. You'll find this at the top of your screen in the PowerPoint toolbar. Once you've selected the image, this tab should automatically appear. If it doesn't, just double-check to ensure your image is still selected. This tab houses all the tools needed to adjust and enhance pictures, including the option to add borders, adjust colors, and more. Within the Picture Format tab, locate and click on the Picture Border option. You'll find this located toward the upper middle section of the toolbar. Upon clicking Picture Border, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for border color and thickness. This menu allows you to customize your border, ensuring it complements your presentation's overall design. You can choose a color that matches your branding or whatever suits the theme of your presentation. Additionally, you can adjust the weight or thickness of the border to your liking, making it subtle or bold. Once you've selected your preferred color and weight, take a quick look to ensure it fits well with the rest of your slide design. You might want to preview the presentation to see how it looks with other slides to maintain a cohesive look throughout. If you're satisfied with the appearance, congratulations, you've successfully added a border to your image. And just like that, you're done. Adding a border to an image is a small detail that can have a big impact on the quality of your presentation. It's a simple enhancement that helps to draw attention to key visuals and make your slides stand out. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.